What's up, everybody? It's Ty, Montana Outlaw Barbecue. Thank you again for joining us for another Montana Outlaw Cocktail Hour. Today, we're going to be making the Monte Carlo, kind of a classic twist on the Manhattan where we substitute vermouth with Benedictine. Probably didn't say that right, but it's really good. You all should try it. Pick up a bottle, try this cocktail. It's good. And we're also today making a toast to my daughter, Blair Hamilton. Welcome to the family. Look forward to having you on the YouTube channel in about 10 to 12 years when hopefully you decide cooking is your thing. But today, let's make a cocktail. What do we need to make this cocktail? We need a bourbon, we need our herbal liqueur, and the Benedictine Angostura bitters. So today we're going to be using Starlight Bourbon. It comes out of Indiana. It's a smaller craft distillery producing really great stuff. This is their signature bourbon whiskey. It's been aged about 4.5 years, and then it goes into a French oak barrel on this one for another 4 to 8 months. Kind of gives it another punch of oakiness. We really love it. From friends of ours in the Central Wisconsin Bourbon Society, went and did a single barrel select, picked this one out, hooked us up so we were able to buy a bottle of this. Not available in Montana typically, but man, this is a great pour, great bottle. Really love the bourbon. Good work, guys. Thank you. You're going to need a mixing glass, a strainer, and a glass to serve it in. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing, 2 ounces of bourbon whiskey. If you like it a little spicier, don't be afraid to add in a little rye. Then we're going to do a 1/2 ounce herbal liqueur. And a dash of Angostura bitters. And then go ahead and stir it. Because all we're trying to do is chill, dilute, and mix. So about 30 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds is all you're going to have to do on this. You can kind of feel the outside of the glass. When it really kind of starts to get cool, you know that it should be good to go. We're going to serve this cocktail neat. So we'll just strain it from here into our cocktail glass. Make sure you get every last drop out of there. Take your orange, cut yourself off. A nice little long path of that orange for your garnish, and also go ahead and express that over the top and line your edge. Get some of that orange flavor. Give it a twist, garnish. And that is how you make the classic Monte Carlo. Like I said, it's a twist on the Manhattan. If you like that, you'll probably like it. But also, if you don't like vermouth, give this one a try. This is kind of just a little bit of a different flavor to it, but it's a really, really great cocktail. We like it for happy hour when we're just sitting around with friends, or it pairs really well with like a good steak dinner. It's got enough flavors in it to stand up to those boldness of the flavors. So go ahead and make this one. Tell us what you think of it. Make sure if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the bell, the subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Always check out our website and our social media for any giveaways that we may have going on at this time. And go ahead and leave a comment down below on what you think we should make here on Montana Outlaw Cocktail Hour. We obviously love bourbon cocktail mixers, but we'll make anything. If it's gin, maybe not a vodka, but anything that's got good flavor, go ahead and throw it our way. We'll see what we can do. Until then, cheers. Thanks for joining us. Look forward to having you next time.